Now we have to start with practice set 24. In this, we are going to find mainly HCF. So let's start with question number 1. Find the HCF of the following numbers. So these are the questions. We have to find HCF of following numbers. So very first question, 45 and 30. So first sum, 45 and 30. So first we will be finding factors of 45 and 30. We can use any method, either listing method to find the factors or prime factorization method. So prime factorization is easier. We will do prime factorization. 5 15s are, then 5 3s are, and 3 1s are. So if 1 comes, then we have to stop. Then 30, 5 6 are, 3 2s are, and 2 1s are. Now since the method is prime factorization, so now here all the numbers which we have to take should be prime numbers. On left side all numbers should be prime numbers, and also we have to start with the smaller number 2 3 5 like that. But it's if you start with 5, then also it's right, because basically we are finding the factors only. So therefore 45, what are the factors of 45? 5 into 5 into 3, and 30 is 5 into 3 into 2 into 1. So therefore HCF will be, we just have to find the common numbers. So 1 5 is there, and 1 3 is there, and 1. So 5 into 3 into 1, which is 15. So therefore HCF of 45 and 30 is 15, like this. Now second sum is 16 and 48. So 16, we'll write factors of 16. 2 8s are, 2 4s are, 2 2s are, 2 1s are. Then 48. 2 24s are, 2 12s are, 2 6s are, 2 3s are, and 3 1s are. So let's write down factors. 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. And for 48. So therefore HCF will be, again we have to find common factors. So 2, again 2, again 2, and one more 2, and lastly 1. So 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 1, which gives us 16. Third sum, 39 and 25. So factors of 39. 3 13s are, 13 is a prime number, so 13 1s are. 25, 5 5s are, and 5 1s are. So factors of 39 are 3 into 13 into 1, and of 25, 5 into 5 into 1. So what is common in this? Only single number 1. So HCF is 1. If nothing is common, then HCF is 1. Highest common factor will be 1. Fourth sum, 49 and 56. So 49. 7 7s are, 7 1s are. Now 56. So 2 28s are, 2 14s are, 2 7s are, and 7 1s are. So therefore 49 equal to 7 into 7 into 1, and 56 equals 2 into 2 into 2 into 7 into 1. So what is common? 7 and 1. that is 7. Therefore, HCF of 49 and 56 is 7. Now, fifth one, 120 and 144. So, 2 60s are, 2 30s are, 2 15s are, 3 5s are, and 5 1s are. Then 144, 2 7s are 14, 72. 2 36 are, 2 18s are, 2 9s are, 3 3s are, and 3 1s are. Okay, now this factors we have to write it down. Therefore, 120 equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 5 into 1, and 144 equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 to 3 into 3 into 1. So therefore HCF is equal to, now what is common? 2, then next 2, one more 2, then 3 and 1. So therefore HCF is 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 3s are 24, 24 1s are 24. So this is HCF of 120 and 144. Now from sum number 6 to sum number 10, it's for homework.